Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do a review on 20 quarts Eurodib spiral mixer. So there you go, guys. Again, this is the Eurodib 20 quarts, and that is my. This is the stop button. This is the timer, and this is the start. So all you have to do is to do the operation. And again, it's a really good one. I have no complaint about this mixer. So all I have to do is to put in whatever is your timer is, and then that's it. Start. So it's very good. I like it, and it's a 20 quarts Eurodib mixer. So again, this one it's a really good one for baking. For baking needs, I think this is a good one for just a starter business. Again, I have no complaint about this Eurodib. I just got this one. I think that was 1 week ago. So, and then I just keep on trying to keep running and running and running. So that's about. And then again, if you want to, you can press the stop button and the stop button here. There you go. And then if you wanna do something, put some ingredients here, and then just lift this hood, and then you can put whatever you want to. Okay. So there you go, guys. So I added water and all other ingredients on my dough. So again, I just leave it there for about 10 minutes. So, and then that's about it. So I really enjoy and I really like this mixer. So if we're gonna go closer a little bit, just to see what's the mixing of this Eurodib. So again, every time you're going to stop or start, so you have to press the stop button. So again, you have to push this red button and it will stop. And then if you want to go start again, so that's why I said it, set the timer and then activate the mixer. So all you have to do is to crank that one to your right, and then you can press the button of this green one. So again, it will keep going. It will keep going. So until it will mix, and then if it's already ready to go, it will automatic. The timer will stop because you have a timer on this a Eurodib. Again, this is a 20 quarts Eurodib spiral mixer, and if you want, you can try. I have one planetary mixer, which is the 10 quarts. The 10 quarts was an Omcan. You can also check that video. I already posted here also on this YouTube channel. So again, all you have to do is to keep running, until the dough will mix together, and then it's gonna be all done. So there you go, guys. So again, you saw the video of the spiral, the Eurodib 20 quarts spiral mixer, and again, for my opinion, that mixer is really good, and I have no complaint. So far, I've been using it, and I like it compared with the planetary mixer. But again, it depends on what kind of application you need in the planetary or the spiral mixer. But again, for my case, I'm making a dough, so that's why I really like the spiral mixer over my planetary, because I have a 10 quarts a planetary OMCAT mixer. But again, comparison on those two, I really like the spiral mixer. But anyway, guys, again, if you're new on my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video uploaded on this channel. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and a wonderful day.